Hi everyone, it's Ruth again. Today I did a little tutorial using the Art Deco Chic stamping plate by Uber Chic. And I've also used, and there's a post up on my Instagram, using Cultural Rhythm, this more tribal or African pattern plate. You can see there's a real contrast. The Art Deco images are very 1920s, 1930s inspired, like a pattern a flapper might wear on a dress. And then the Cultural Rhythm stamping plate is more organic shapes and has a really hand-drawn quality to it, which I think is very original, but I love both. Let me know if you'd like a tutorial using Cultural Rhythm, I'd be happy to do that. They were sent to me from UK stockist Nail Artisan by Alex, and she also sent me recently this holographic Uber Chic plate holder. Whoa, look how shiny it is. I'm looking at the viewfinder and it's blowing my mind. But what's so great about this one is, if I zoom back a little bit, it's like a ring binder, and each little folder, each little wallet inside is much thicker plastic, much sturdier than any other stamping plate holders I have. And the ring binder means that you can reorganise it really easily just by opening up the ring binder like you would with a college folder, a school folder, and you can shut it back up again. And what I've done is I'm keeping all of my single Uber Chic plates, so the chevron plates, I've got the Op Art Magic, Moroccan Beauty, all these ones. And also my Halloween plates, the zombie plates and Halloween plates and Valentine's Day, Christmas, all the one-off plates in here, because I'll be able to remember where I've put things then. And I've got the sets of 3 in some Nail Artisan folders that I bought for myself. But it was really nice to receive this. But I just wanted to say that I was very grateful to have this, because it's very sturdy and very beautiful. And it fits a lot of plates in it. Right, let's count. I've got 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6. Upside down top, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
19, and I'll have 20 and 21. I'll just show you. I'm going to put in Cultural Rhythm. Here's the Art Deco plate. And here's the Cultural Rhythm plate. So we've got 21 in so far, and there'll be space for, let's count, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
6. There'll be space for 13 more plates in here, so I'm good for a while for my storage. I did a count the other day and I have almost 300 stamping plates, which is a little bit sickening, but anyway, at least I know all of my larger ones are organised, but all of my favourites are in this amazing holographic holder. I'll leave you now with a tutorial for how I did this Art Deco gradient design. I also used Hit the Bottle Calypso Gold, which was sent to me from Nail Artisan too. Love Hit the Bottle stamping polishers, would highly recommend those too. Okay, thanks for watching.